In this video, we are going to talk about tutorial for Robinhood Investment App. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. In the event that you are even remotely interested in investing, the name Robinhood is almost certainly familiar to you. Since its launch in 2013, the investing app has become a favorite among everyday traders who congregate in online forums such as Reddit's Wall Street Bets. It has amassed more than 18 million active users since its launch. The Silicon Valley darling, which grew in popularity as a result of a flurry of investment activity during the COVID-19 pandemic and the ongoing cryptocurrency boom, is a commission-free trading platform, which means users can invest in everything from ETFs to Dogecoin without having to go through a traditional brokerage firm first. Robinhood went public on the Nasdaq in July 2021, trading under the ticker symbol HOOD. The company is headquartered in San Francisco. While the company's revenue soared to $565 million in the second quarter, thanks in part to a surge in cryptocurrency trading, its revenue fell by nearly half to $365 million in the third quarter, reflecting a significant decline in crypto trading. The platform has received its fair share of negative feedback. In June, the company agreed to pay $70 million to settle allegations of system outages, misleading users, and approving customers to trade options, a risky investing move, when it was not appropriate to do so. The company had previously faced the largest financial penalty ever issued by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. In early 2021, Robinhood restricted users' ability to trade certain meme stocks, such as GameStop and AMC, resulting in the wrath of traders and legislators in the United States. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, fined Robinhood $65 million last December for allegedly misleading customers about one of the company's revenue sources. The practice known as payment order flow is employed by Robinhood, which entails a brokerage firm transmitting customer orders to high-speed trading firms in exchange for cash payments. Despite the fact that the platform's model allows users to make trades at no cost, financial planner Tara Falcone believes that this comes at a significant cost. According to Falcone, it has caused many people to believe that this is the way to invest and how to build wealth. And while investing in individual stocks can be a profitable way to build wealth, it is not the best place for most young people to begin. Here's everything you need to know about the most popular, and most contentious, financial app of the year, and whether you should use it or not. Here are the tutorial for Robinhood Investment App. So let's start. Who uses Robinhood? Indications of this are the app's popularity among young, first-time investors, which is reflected in its game-like interface, which includes celebratory animations and push notifications when there are market updates. It isn't just Redditors who are taking on risky investment moves, anyone can do it. By conducting thorough research, Robinhood can at the very least serve as an excellent introduction to the world of investing. However, no matter how skilled you are at stock selection, you will almost certainly fall short of outperforming the market over the long term. To avoid such risks in the future, Money has always recommended that new investors start with passively managed index funds that have a proven track record. The truth is that there is no crystal ball that can predict where the stock market will go in the near future. Look at what has transpired over the past 12 months. When COVID-19 made landfall in the United States in March of 2020, the stock market crashed. However, by August of 2021, the S&P 500, a common benchmark used to measure the broader stock market, had risen by 100% from its pandemic low on March 23, 2020, according to Bloomberg data. And despite the occasional bout of turbulence, such as a recent dip attributed to investors' concerns about the high debt levels of one of China's largest real estate developers, the stock market continues to soar to new all-time highs. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq both had their best monthly performances since November of last year in the month of October. Despite this, market experts predict that a market correction, generally defined as a drop in stock prices of between 10% and 20%, will occur sooner rather than later in the near future. Day traders will always attempt to exploit flaws in the system, even if it is nearly impossible to make large sums of money this way. And, given the fact that Robinhood allows anyone with a bank account to buy and sell risky financial products, its popularity should come as no surprise. How to invest with Robinhood? Falcone recommends that you first determine your motivation for investing before downloading any type of investing app. Is this something you're doing to make some quick money? Because you're suffering from Reddit-induced FOMO? Maybe you want to put your money to work responsibly and are prepared to think about long-term strategies because you want to be responsible with it? The advice from Falcone is to put blinders on and ignore what you might be seeing on social media or hearing from your friends. If certain types of stocks don't fit into your overall strategy, you should be aware of this right away and disregard those suggestions. If you're approaching this from the perspective of financial planning, make certain that you've already paid off all of your credit card and high-rate consumer debt before proceeding. You should also make enough contributions to your employer-sponsored plan to take advantage of any potential match benefits. This is a guaranteed return on your investment that you won't get from the stock market. As Falcone points out, once you are on track for retirement and have additional cash to invest, you might want to consider adding some individual stocks to your portfolio. To begin, it is recommended that you invest in diversified securities, either through your employer's plan or through an individual retirement account, IRA. Before you begin trading, Falcone advises that you should set some financial objectives for yourself. Consider making an investment to assist in the purchase of a new couch, an excursion to the Bahamas, an engagement ring, or the down payment on your first home. Assess how much that goal will cost, how long of a time horizon you have to achieve it in, how much money you must invest toward it today, and how much you'll have to contribute on a weekly or monthly basis to reach that goal using a reasonable expected return for your time horizon, Falcone advises. How to start investing with Robinhood. Opening an account with Robinhood is as simple as it gets when it comes to investing. All you need is to be 18 years old or older, to have a valid social security number, and to have a physical address in the United States. Beginners should start with a small amount of money they are comfortable losing and stick to stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Falcone recommends building a diversified portfolio of at least 15 stocks from a variety of industries and company sizes, all of which have already undergone due diligence, according to Falcone. You can get started investing with as little as a few dollars thanks to fractional shares. Falcone recommends that you familiarize yourself with investing news websites, such as Money.com, and timely content from verified financial planners such as herself as you begin your journey. Morningstar.com is another excellent resource for keeping up with the latest information on fund performance, investment strategy, and fees and expenses. You can also use a stock market simulator to create a practice portfolio, which will assist you in learning how the stock market fluctuates over time, as well as how to develop sound investing habits, like not checking your account a million times a day. Instead, learn to walk before you run and take the time to understand what you're actually buying and selling before you make a decision. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.